2 days ago, I've tested alkalinity of our pool water. Went to Leslie's Pool Supply and it shows only 56, which is definitely below the recommended range of between 80 and 120. And so I've bought this Clorox Pool Alkalinity Increaser. That's a 5-pound bag. And with the 5 pound, I can increase it, I would say, based on the instructions here, by around 35 ppm for a 10,000 gallon pool, but the pool is quite larger. It's almost 15,000 gallon. So probably I can only increase it by around 20 ppm. That's what I about expect, but that's everything what I have. So I pour this inside and then check again, and then I will test and let you know. So I'm going to pour this inside here along the deeper end of the pool. You can't see the whole pool, but that's the deeper end. By the way, I let the pool vacuum running, pool pump running, and also chlorinator running, because this is a saltwater pool, so I don't have to change anything. I just pour this slowly in, and then let's see what's going to happen. So I'm back here, it's empty, and the pool vacuum is still there. Maybe I wouldn't pour it in when the pool vacuum is right underneath. So I waited till the pool vacuum was on the other side and then started. So it has a couple of seconds to dissolve till the pool vacuum is in this area. So I'd say that's it. Now let's wait and see. And so that's the result after 2 weeks. You can see the result or the numbers before I increased the alkalinity. You can see that here we have alkalinity 56, which was too low. It's supposed to be higher, and you can see the result here. Here's the proof. You can see the date. Here date before, here date after. Of course, it has been almost 2 weeks. I'm only testing every 2 weeks because it's winter and the water is cooler, and you can see the difference here. Now it's showing 102, before it was 56, now 102. So the question is then, is it exactly what I've been expecting? It's not too difficult to calculate. I've poured in 5 pounds, which is everything from this bag. Unfortunately, in the chart, they don't have a sample change for exactly what's in the bag. That's maybe my main complaint here. When they sell it as a 5 pound bag, why don't they show the change for 5 pounds? But we can assume it's somewhere here in between, so around 35 ppm. But of course, this is for 10,000 gallon and my pool is 14,000 gallon, so it should be a little bit lower. So my guess would be around 25, but for you I made this a little bit more accurate and did the full scientific calculation. You can see how we can calculate that, and so the exact change for my pool size with applying 5 pounds would be an increase of 23.8. So I think my 25 was not too bad. And so when we go back to the result, we can see that the difference between 56 and 102, that's 46. That's pretty much the double amount, the double change from what I've been expecting. Of course, it has been 2 weeks and I've been applying some phosphate remover during this time. Of course, some people probably noticed that already. That's the only thing which I've applied apart from the alkalinity increaser. But I've been doing a lot of research and everything pointed towards that phosphate removers don't change the alkalinity. So pretty much everything came from this application here. And so this is my suggestion, especially if you're already pretty high, just a little bit below 80 ppm. Don't apply too much. Just use maybe half of the recommended amount, put it in, and then test a couple of days later to make sure that you're not adding too much of this stuff. So it's definitely very capable, no complaints about that, but it could be too potent. At least this is what it shows here on my pool. Definitely no complaints, just my advice to be a little bit careful. maybe start with a little bit less and then see how it works for your pool. But I would say that's it for now. And so if you're interested in this Clorox Alkalinity Increaser, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Alkalinity Increaser, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.